Sa mapagpalang araw sa inyo ating mga ka-good life. Sa video nito ay mag-unbox tayo ng relo. Basically yung Seiko Philippine Limited Edition. So ito ay ang pangatlong limited edition sa Philippines. So watch out for our other videos dun sa first two. And malapit nang lumabas yung pang-apat na limited edition. So ito muna, itong third limited edition is actually inspired by the Philippine Eagle. So ayan yung box niya, and may Philippine Eagle yung design. And ito naman yung preview, ito yung pinaka-jacket ng box, na may mga parang feathers, kulay brown. And then ito naman is pinapakita na for every purchase nitong Seiko Prospects is sinusupport natin si Eiko, So nasa San Fernando, Bukidnon siya. Eiko means prosperous. And si Seiko Philippines together with the Philippine Eagle Foundation ay inaalagaan nila yung si Eiko at ang shelter niya. Tapos nakalagay din dito sa kabila naman, nung binili ko to, is sinusupport din natin yung tree planting. So a tree is planted for everyone who purchased this. Partner ni Seiko naman dito si Eiko Matcher, na nagtanim sa Sierra Madre. So pakita natin after the intro kung ano yung laman and yung mismong relo ng Seiko Philippine Limited Edition. See you after the intro. So shout out kay Endless Time. So ito yung supplier ko ng relo, at least for the Seiko Limited Edition. So never pang pumalya na makakuha si sir ng supplies, So kung gusto niyo siyang maka-transaction, hanapin niyo lang siya sa Facebook. So ito yung box niya, red and brown yung design, actually bordering on maroon. Tapos top flap siya, so parang may bigger box pa, na ito yung laman. So ito yung warranty card, the usual, may card dyan sa likod, kung nakabili ka na ng mga Seiko before, ganyan siya. Tapos here is the user's manual, so kung may nagpo-open at nagbabasa pa niyan. Ito yung sinasabi kong jacket, may design din ng Philippine Eagle na may scientific name pa, and then yung niya is parang feathers ng eagle yan, So ito na nga yung card, na sinasabing proceeds, part of the proceeds ng mga bumili is to help take care itong si Eiko na ating Philippine Eagle, located sa Bukidnon. So yan, in partnership with the Philippine Eagle Foundation. And then nung ni-scan ko tong QR code na to, ayan, a tree is planted for every purchase. So sa Sierra Madre naman yan, and na-download ko rin yung certificate, na indeed a tree was planted. Ito na yung box natin. So limited to 1,000 pieces as usual, itong Philippine Limited Edition, similar to the first two. So yan na siya. So it comes with a stainless bracelet, and it also comes with parang silicone or rubber bracelet, yung packaging niya. So ito is kulay brown na made of silicone or rubber. So open natin. So yan, yung ibang Philippine Limited Edition may ganyan din, So depende na lang sa taste ninyo kung which one yung prefer ninyong gamitin. Pero for this color, mukhang mas maganda itong stainless steel na bracelet para mas mukha siyang formal. So ito na siya. So So ayan, so medyo ano lang yung lighting natin, pero it's color brown. Yung bezel niya is two-tone, red and brown, pero ito parang nagiging ano din siya, maroon kapag tinatamaan ng light. Ayan, tapos kita niyo yung pattern niya, parang may mga feathers, parang pattern siya after the feathers of the Philippine Eagle. So ayan, ito yung typical Seiko na likod. Tapos nandyan din yung serial number, so it says there 1,000 pieces lang, so may serial number yan. For this piece it's 474. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan. There. So out of 1,000 it's 474. Ayan, so two-tone yung bezel niya, brown and red. Whereas the dial or yung pinaka-face niya is parang maroon. Brownish maroon na may patterns, parang feathers ng Philippine Eagle. Yung hands niya are may loom, so nag-ano siya, nag-glow siya pag madilim. And then yung second hand niya is parang gold, no? So ito yung scientific name ng Philippine Eagle. Ito is a closer look din at the different angle ng prospects, Seiko prospects, no? So here's another angle. So itong jacket na to, yung brown, parang ganun yung dial niya, pero mas finer lang. So actually parang almost formal yung dating nitong ano, ayan, no? Kita ninyo, ayan, diba? May pinong-pinong mga design na nag-emanate from the center, circular, so parang siyang feathers na ano, paikot. And so ito yung two-tone bezel na ano. So compared to the first two, parang medyo yung first two meaning the Manila Bay and then the two Bataha na I promise I'll also make a video on. Parang ito yung pinaka-formal so far, no? Papasas yung formal wear. So yan. So maganda yung hands niya. Simple lang. And gold plated yung second hand niya. Second hand. Meron din siyang day display. Tapos ito, i-try natin yung loom niya or yung glow in the dark niya. So nilagay ko siya sa dark place. Yan, so saglit lang siya na-expose to light. Mabilis siyang makapick up ng yung loom niya or glow, no? Kasi I believe na ano siya, parang nagcha-charge lang siya from light. Maganda. Even yung 12 sa bezel niya may loom, no? So here's another look ng Seiko Philippine Limited Edition, the third one, no? So utang ko sa inyo yung ano, first and second. So and then limited to 1,000 pieces. It retailed at 45,000 no 2022, around November din siya nalabas, no? So yan, hope you enjoyed our unboxing and see you in our other unboxing videos. So ito na ang box.